Today, we are going to explore 10 simple psychological tricks that always work. And guess what? These tricks can be effective not just in your work life, but also in your personal life, including the bedroom. Intrigued? Let's dive right in. 1. Anchoring. By setting a positive tone or impression, you can influence people's perceptions and make a lasting impact, whether it's in a boardroom presentation or during an intimate moment with your partner. For example, in a business negotiation, start by emphasizing the high-quality features of your product before discussing the price. This anchors their perception of value, making the price seem more reasonable. In the bedroom, set a positive tone by expressing genuine appreciation for your partner's physical attributes, creating a confident and intimate atmosphere. 2. Mirroring. Establishing rapport and connection through mirroring can enhance collaboration and teamwork at the office, as well as create a sense of intimacy and understanding with your partner. For example, at work, mirror your colleagues' body language and communication style to establish rapport and build a collaborative environment. In personal relationships, mirror your partner's movements and gestures during a dance or intimate moment, fostering a deeper sense of connection. 3. The power of names. Remembering and using someone's name not only shows respect and interest in professional settings but also adds a personal touch to romantic relationships, making your partner feel valued and appreciated. For example, remembering and using your colleagues' names during meetings and conversations shows respect and fosters positive working relationships. In personal relationships, using your partner's name affectionately in private moments creates a sense of intimacy and reinforces the bond between you. 4. The Zeigarnik effect. Creating curiosity and intrigue can be useful in both work and personal situations. From sparking interest in a project during a team meeting to adding excitement and anticipation to your romantic life, this trick keeps things engaging. For example, begin a team meeting at work by introducing an intriguing question or unfinished challenge, igniting curiosity and driving engagement throughout the discussion. In personal relationships, teasing your partner with playful hints or alluring suggestions can create excitement and anticipation, leading to a memorable and passionate experience. 5. Social proof. Building credibility and trust is essential in the workplace and in relationships. Sharing success stories or positive experiences can boost confidence in your abilities at work and strengthen the bond between you and your partner. For example, presenting testimonials from satisfied clients or successful case studies can establish credibility and trust in the workplace. Similarly, sharing positive stories or experiences from trusted friends or couples can strengthen the confidence and connection in your personal relationship. 6. Scarcity. Employing a sense of urgency or exclusivity can motivate colleagues to act promptly on projects and deadlines. Similarly, adding an element of excitement and anticipation in the bedroom can heighten desire and intensify the overall experience. For example, in a professional context, emphasize the limited availability of a product or service to create a sense of urgency and encourage prompt decision-making. In a personal context, surprise your partner with spontaneous romantic gestures, emphasizing the rarity and specialness of the occasion. 7. The power of storytelling. Crafting compelling narratives can captivate an audience during a business pitch or presentation, while also fostering emotional connection and intimacy in personal relationships. For example, engage your colleagues by sharing a personal story or anecdote that illustrates the benefits or lessons related to a project or challenge at work. In personal relationships, narrate a heartfelt story that highlights the journey you and your partner have taken together, deepening emotional connection and understanding. 8. Framing. Shaping how information is presented can influence how it's perceived, Whether it's highlighting the positive aspects of a project to motivate your team or framing a romantic gesture in a way that enhances its impact. For example, present your ideas or proposals at work by focusing on the positive outcomes and benefits they can bring, influencing how your colleagues perceive and evaluate them. Similarly, frame your desires or requests to your partner in a positive light, highlighting the mutual benefits and joy that will arise from fulfilling them. 9. The primacy and recency effect. By strategically placing important information or key moments at the beginning and end, you can ensure that it sticks in the minds of your colleagues during a meeting and creates memorable experiences with your partner. For example, in a presentation, start with a compelling opening that captures attention and ends with a memorable closing statement that reinforces the main message. In the bedroom, create a memorable experience by ensuring that the first and last moments are filled with affection, passion, or tenderness. 10. The rule of reciprocity. Demonstrating kindness and generosity at work can foster positive relationships and cooperation among colleagues. In a romantic context, showing appreciation and love creates a cycle of reciprocation, strengthening the bond with your partner. Offer assistance or support to your colleagues at work without expecting anything in return. This fosters a culture of collaboration and reciprocity. In personal relationships, surprise your partner with a thoughtful gesture or act of kindness, creating a cycle of love and appreciation. And there you have it, 10 simple psychological tricks that always work, from the boardroom to the bedroom. Remember, using these techniques ethically and respectfully is key. Try them out and let us know how they work for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.